If you think your husband has an RC addiction, show them mine.
Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Popeye's hanging out down here with his toy just at our feet. Good little buddy.
And Amelia is finally asleep. Can you tell? I'm a little worn out.
We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. We thought it would be a lot of fun to do a special video for you guys. We're just climbing and growing and more people are tuning in. And we've talked about this stuff in the past, but it has been a long time. Well, today we have a giant epic unboxing episode.
Today was the perfect storm. We got home.
Almost couldn't get in the door.
We couldn't get in the door.
We had to move stuff. Well, this is one of the most kind of unique things about our channel and what we do. I know that you guys probably around Christmas time might have a day like this or two, but sometimes it just hits us at random. Now, we'll go a week or two and not get anything in the mail, but then sometimes the perfect storm hits and all the China boats meet up in America at the same time, and then all the airplanes take all the stuff to our house at the same time. And this happened. So yeah, it was actually probably 2 weeks before we got anything.
And this probably seems excessive, because it is. But not really when you do a video
every day.
Almost every day. So this is behind the scenes.
Well, I think one of the best feelings in the world is opening this, right? Like anything, I don't really know what's inside, because Abby and I are always shopping online. We're always picking things out, queuing stuff up.
It's hard to remember what's coming.
Exactly. We just shop all the time. What we see, what we like, we order that stuff.
And sometimes what you guys tell us you want to see, we try to pick that up too.
Yep. And so sometimes this stuff, especially the overseas China stuff, like Banggood stuff, it might come in a few days if we're really lucky without paying any extra. And sometimes it'll take a month or maybe even longer to come. So really, with what we do, I'm always focused on the RC of the day and maybe the next day. We forget what's coming. And so it's really fun for us to get the mail, and it's kind of like a mystery unboxing for us every day. And it's one of the most fun things that I get to experience in this hobby, and we really haven't got to share that with you until now. So we thought this would be fun. What we're going to do is open each thing and just kind of talk about it a little bit, like, oh yeah, I remember that, or what is this? I don't even, you know. Should be fun. So that's what today's video is about. I've got a knife. You go right ahead. I guess you don't need a knife for that.
Just hang out with us. This is a car.
Also, it's interesting to see the box quality and condition, because this is not. I mean, sometimes they nail it, and sometimes they literally nail it. So
there's a
big giant hole in the box.
And look at the back. Can you see? It's tinted in.
Well, let's cut this open really fast. We're just gonna do a quick little peek in here before we move on to the next thing.
Oh, this is in a case, whatever's in here.
Oh, well, that's for me. I know.
I can feel the case zipper.
What do we have? What do we have? I know it's a little.
You look in the box and you like most of them. They don't even check what is in the box. There's like 4 different options. And you have no idea.
There we go.
Okay, it's a tiny little guy.
I like the color scheme on that.
We were just looking at this today.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Hurricane.
So I like it.
Maybe what you guys could do is watch this video. I think we have, what, like 7 or 8 things here? And let us know in the comments below which of the things you would like to see first. And if we have an overwhelming amount, we'll absolutely prioritize that. Or maybe put them in a list. You know, make your list of what you like the most and what you like the least. I almost guarantee we'll have a couple. I'd say we'll have a couple drones in here.
It's 18th scale, 4-wheel drive monster truck, 36 kilometers an hour.
Which means probably 25 kilometers an hour. We'll see. But I know we'll have a drone or two in here, because, you know, it takes a month or so for that stuff to come. And we're taking a little break from those GPS cheap camera drones.
A momentary hiatus.
Yeah, very necessary.
Gotta get our sanity back. There's only so many bad drones you can take. It's getting caught on.
There we have it. Yep, I knew we'd have one.
GPS.
So that is a brushed motor camera GPS drone. Generic. We're gonna have to look up what we've ordered.
See you later, buddy.
Yeah, we won't see you for a while, little dude. Now, don't worry, all you drone people. I know we have a ton of drone people. Like, at first we were getting very mixed feelings on that video.
Yeah, some of you were like, yes, please be done. And a lot of you were like, no, because no one else is going to tell us it's junk.
Yes. I'd say there were more people honestly telling us not to quit it because we do have your backs. And I get that, you know. I will be the very first person to tell you that this is junk, don't buy it.
It's probably junk.
Probably is junk, don't buy it. But we never know, that's why we test these things. And so I know that there's very few people out there. Are some, but there are not very many that want to tell you the honest truth. So we want to be able to provide that to you guys. But I think Abby and I just need a major break from that stuff. So we're taking one.
And from the view count of videos, you guys don't like the videos where we say this is junk because the retention that goes down,
way down.
The view counts go down. It's just, it's been obvious to us that even our audience, you guys, our RC family, don't even like that drone. Even though you appreciate the honesty, there's only so much honesty of this is a bad drone, this is a bad drone that you can handle.
I remember picking this puppy out online here, and it looks awesome.
XK.
Looks really awesome. XK does some good stuff, like helicopters and things. It's a unique looking vehicle. Yeah, you do need one. Remember the tire blowout though. I mean, you got some work to do before you're allowed to have any.
You got the maximum miss, what it was.
I'm happy to have that one.
Forget the DHK hobby trend.
This is cool. 12th scale.
Cool.
Look at the spare tires on the side. Now that's not a functioning tire. Those are spare tires. There's a real vehicle that looks like this. I think it's like a desert dune buggy. And
that is cool.
Don't know why they have the 2 spares on the side, but it makes this kind of thing makes me want to look into the real full-scale version of these vehicles.
That's cool.
Yeah. Remember, keep your list running. What is at the top so far? I think that looks really good. That's cool. We got a couple big boxes too, guys. So I don't know if you saw it in the intro or in the thumbnail, but hold out for those because oh man, that's awesome! I forgot about this. What?
Oh wow, that's tiny.
Yeah, this is like
24th scale crawler.
This is like those little deadbolts.
Oh, it's 4-wheel drive though, and it has a lipo.
This is like those little deadbolts, you guys, but they're way cheaper. What? Do you want to see that early?
I want one of those deadbolts though.
Oh, we're gonna get one. They're just on back order like crazy, but that is like a knockoff deadbolt, but like so a little Toyota truck kind of.
FPV ready. You can put a camera on it.
But think about putting a camera on this. You could inside. Cool. This would be a blast because you could crawl under the furniture and stuff.
I like that.
Well, this is going toward the top of my list right now.
That is close to the top.
That is.
I like that 6-wheeled truck.
Yes.
That's pretty cool. I think that's my favorite so far. What's your favorite so far?
I don't want to say yet because I think I know what's in one of these bigger boxes.
I think you all, after all this, will be able to tell we are done with it. We want to take a break with drones. Car.
Nice long pause.
All right, we got another little, what is this, 24th scale, I'm guessing.
That is sweet. That is a little rally car.
I like it. 4-wheel drive, though.
Yes. So, do you know what that reminds me of?
What?
We did a WL Toys little rally car. Remember we put tape on the tires and turned it into a drift car?
Yeah, I made you keep it because
that'll be
I
Amelia's.
liked it a lot.
That'll be Amelia's car. That's why.
That's cool. Keep passion on the side.
Ah, yeah.
I like it.
I know what this is. So a lot of little things here. You guys love when we do both high-end RCs, but then we take a look at like the XK. This is a Vortex, and usually they mark on the side what we've got. Yeah, this is the A979-B. I know you guys can't see that, but what they do here, we've gotten quite a few of this branded stuff before. They put all the models on the side, and then they check mark the one that you have inside, because the box is just a generic box for all of them.
And then sometimes when you order a US plug, but in the box it's a European plug, they throw one of these in there too.
I think I just listed one of my older versions of not this truck, but a buggy. I just listed that on our eBay store, so if you guys...
That's good.
It does.
I like the color scheme.
Monster truck. If you don't know, we have an eBay store. We'll have a link in the description box below. I know we have a lot of new subscribers right now.
Oh, sorry.
That's fine. And you know, we try to hook you guys up with a pretty good deal. We have some really high-end stuff over there right now. Usually the budget stuff goes really, really fast, and over time, I lower the price. If no one buys it, I keep lowering it until someone buys it. So someone always ends up getting a really good deal on the RC stuff over there.
You got anything else over?
That's it, just the 2 big boxes now.
All right.
Yeah, let's do this. I'll start cutting in up here. And you kind of tear in down there if you can. Yeah, I thought we were expecting this. You guys will like this.
I like it. The colors.
Yeah, we'll probably actually open the box with this one because this is a Sharp RC.
ZD Racing, 1/10 scale, 4-wheel drive. What is it? Can you see it? Short course track.
Yep. Now we haven't had a new short course truck since the Hamlett.
It's been a while.
So we're overdue for a 10th scale short course truck. Let's see here. Just little tabs. I want you guys to see this because the color scheme is really sharp. I'll just pull this out right here.
Are we still gonna do an unboxing of this maybe?
Maybe we'll do it because we're not going to talk about the electronics in this video, but that's a good looking short course truck. What is this one? 4-wheel drive? Yeah, it is. Did you guys know that to check if it's 4-wheel drive really quick? I just, I forget this stuff all the time. Just spin the wheel, and if the other one goes the opposite direction, it's 4-wheel drive. If it's in the front, If it spins freely, then it's.
That's how it works in the back too.
Well, yeah.
But I understand.
Yes, thank you.
Just let me know.
The sticker job on here is a little
Yikes.
not great. They need to look into some TheRcSaylor stickers, don't they?
Yeah, that's really bad.
Yeah, but
I
that's
think that was supposed to go on the hood.
maybe.
No, it shows it in the picture on the roof.
But ZD Racing,
That sticker's gonna get peeled off.
I've always loved their monster trucks.
World champion.
I've always loved the monster trucks that they do, and then I've still got mine too. So I'm hopeful that they've got themselves a nice. This is brushless. I can see it.
Wait,
in there.
what's the tail? What's the bumper say?
Blue is better. No,
So we should have got the blue one?
No, they have a saying. They have a saying on there. Last but not least, our camera battery's about to die. We got to do this fast.
I have a spare. No worries.
I think we got it though. I think we got it. Takes teamwork. A lot of times this is how we're opening stuff when we're.
I had scissors over here.
You guys, I think, have been requesting this one.
This one looks so cool.
You did get scissors out.
I don't know where they went. That's not good. Oh, they're on my desk. How did they get back over there? I can't get it.
It's such a good feeling, isn't it? When you get a new RC in the mail, when you're opening it, even though you've watched reviews.
I don't know what it is.
Even though you've watched reviews and you know what to expect, when you have that new RC in front of you in person, gosh, it's just such a good feeling. And so, that's kind of what we're
ZD
doing.
Racing, Pirates 3 Monster Truck.
Let's cut this puppy open really
Oh, it
fast.
looks so good.
Yes, it does.
1/8 scale, ready to run.
I've heard that
Four-wheel
this
drive.
is good. I've heard it's really
good.
good. Sometimes we order stuff on your guys' request and it'll take a month or so for it to come. Sometimes we get lucky and maybe Abby and I were already shopping for it and it comes just in time for your request.
Sometimes it takes 3 months to come.
Yep.
We just never know.
Oh, okay, we gotta put the tires on. Whoa, look at the tire! That's as big as my face! Look how big that tire is. Look.
This is empty.
Look.
What's over here? That
Look
is
how
huge.
huge that tire is.
Wow.
This is like K-Rock tires. What? This is sweet. Oh my gosh, look at the motor. Oh man, wow. Oh, okay, we gotta pop this off of here. I gotta show you guys the motor.
The battery's exposed.
A little bit, yeah.
What's happening?
Let's see here. I want you guys to see the motor.
Wait, don't do that. I did not see that.
Oh, pause, hold on. Hold it right there. Hold it.
I have 2.
Hold it, please. I saw one pop over here.
I think one might have popped in the box. Did you not see that?
I guess not.
There were washers. So you have the body clips and then there were washers underneath.
I mean, I
them.
saw
You
it, but I
just
guess I
lost
thought
2.
they were part of the. Well, they're here.
Here's one. So there's
I know
more
one
missing.
bounced over
We'll
here.
find it.
Yeah, that's okay. It's right here in the midst of the chaos. I see it. I actually see it by the light. Look how big the motor is.
Well, look at it. It's like triangle shaped. It's
Well, let me
thinner in
see.
the front, wider in the back.
Oh yeah, very cool. Ready to run because we've got our LiPo in here. What size battery is that?
It's a brick.
That's a 3S, but that is a brick. We don't get this
And
size
it's a
battery in
soft
person.
battery, which is
Yeah.
very weird. I don't know.
Oh no, it's not. Well, it's big. That's
not
big.
labeled.
It's not labeled at all.
I'll have
That's
to
so
look it up
weird.
because I don't know off the top of my head.
So this is what happens here at our house, at our channel.
We never know what's going on.
Well, I guess. But you know, we order stuff and we kind of forget what's coming until it gets here and we open it, and then we get excited and we get the video ready for you guys. You know, and so we thought it'd be really fun to share this excitement with you because this is always fun for us. Again, sometimes it's just one thing that shows up one day and then it's a few days later until we get another thing. Sometimes we go a couple weeks without getting anything in the mail, and then a lot of stuff will show up in 1 day or 2 days. And so we just wanted to share this experience with you guys. Look at this drive shaft. Look at that. It goes down to the middle and separates and then continues further on to the front.
That's wild.
That is so wild. That's like a split drive shaft.
That's cool.
That's really cool. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a fun
Did you
vehicle.
look at the shocks?
Full aluminum chassis. The shocks look so good. Look at the purple and the orange
There's
together.
rubber inside the shocks, so
what?
you can't
Oh,
see the metal
yeah.
piece.
Well, we've seen that before on other high-end RCs.
I don't remember.
But it's very rare, yes.
That is cool.
So, now that you've seen all the stuff, what is your favorite thing? Are you the person that wants to see the little micro truck crawler? Or do you want to see the Pirates 3 go get destroyed at our new bashing grounds with speed tests? It's up to you guys. You make the lists, and we will absolutely read your lists. If there's an overwhelming vehicle for number 1, that's going to come first. So make the list. Let us know in the comments below because.
And give us like a couple days to make it happen.
Yeah.
And you'll see it on the channel.
Yes. Okay. This is awesome. This is so much fun.
So much good stuff coming to the channel in the next month or so.
And this stuff. This is all reason to be excited right here.
That's what I was talking about. All the stuff is really good stuff except the drone.
Well, I'd say
Was
this
there
is
only one drone?
only one drone.
Oh, that's good.
Little indication of. Now that doesn't mean we'll never.
No, we have drones out in the garage ready to be reviewed.
Yes.
We just wanted to take a week or two break,
At
and
least,
then we'll
maybe
have
longer.
some more.
Yeah.
We'll have some more drones. If you guys love drones, so we're not going anywhere. We want to have some more planes on the channel because I know a lot of you all have been loving the planes.
Yes.
You all have been loving the boats. So we have all that stuff ready to be reviewed as well. But
And
now we have some awesome RC trucks.
And remember, to those of you new people watching, we're just here to have fun with it. Like that's the main goal of our channel, to have fun. And if it's not fun for one reason or another, we let you know.
We hope you enjoyed hanging out with us and seeing all this awesome stuff. Hit the subscribe button so you can see all this stuff running, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
It's the Dwight sword.
Why do we keep doing that?